Hi everybody, I am here to share with you my newest project. This is using the Graphic 45 Botanical Tea Keepsake collection. Now I did already show the video because I created a tutorial for my wooden teapot, so that is a full tutorial that's available. But now I can go ahead and show you on the inside the little tea bag tags that I've created. There is a full tutorial available for these tags on the Graphic 45 YouTube channel. I will link that in the description box below if you want to make one of these of your own. I will also link the MDF teapot. It comes unassembled from my website if you would like to purchase this to make your own. Now inside my teapot, I have 6 tag booklets. So I'm calling them loaded tea bag tags. They're all made in the same exact way. They're small to fit inside of here, but they will hold smaller photos or some journaling. All of the tags have some of the ephemera pieces and fussy cut pieces from the collection. They are held together with the policy envelope closure here with string to make it look like an actual tea bag. The back side also is decorated, and then there are some dimensional pieces that do pop up. When I open up my tea bag, the design is the same, but all the papers are different. So inside you'll have 2 sides. So there's a decorative strip here, and then in your pocket we've got one of the tags, room for a photo or some journaling on the back side. And then in this back part, we have a larger tag, and this is open so you could tuck photo underneath there or something else on there if you choose. And then the back side is completely blank. Now flipping over to the other side, I have a piece here that is open. You could tuck something down underneath there if you wanted to, but it's mostly for decoration. I have one of the cut apart pieces here for journaling and a photo. And then in the back pocket here, we have another tag. So we've got, again, room for something to tuck behind there, or it can be purely decorative and you could add your journaling or your photo to the back side. There is still some room in here, so when this is closed, there is a bit of a gusset to give this some space, so you could add additional things and tuck more down into your little tags if you wanted to, and there would still be room. Now with all of these tags, you could also bind them into a mini album, so you would create your spine and you would just add this into your spine for all 6 of them, and you would have an actual album itself that would fit down into this little box. Now for the rest of them, I'm just going to go through, open them up, pull the inserts out and show you, but since you've already seen the design, I'm not going to show you and tell you all the different features. It's more of just pulling things out and showing you so you get an idea about what this project is all about. So this is my Graphic 45 Botanical Tea teapot with the tag or loaded tags inside. Now I am going to be listing this decorated teapot and those tea bag tags for sale. So if you are interested in purchasing this already made, it will also be linked in the description box below, along with the link for the wooden MDF teapot that you can assemble yourself and decorate. And I will link the video for the tutorial for the wooden teapot, as well as the tutorial on the Graphic 45 YouTube channel for the tea bag tags. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment below. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.